Welcome. This is your time to slow down and return to calm. In the next few moments, you'll be guided into a gentle state of grounding and inner peace, allowing your body and mind to relax and reset. There is nothing you need to do. Simply listen and allow yourself to be supported. Now find a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. Bring your awareness to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of breathing in and breathing out. There is no need to change it, just observe. Slowly inhale through your nose, drawing in calm, steady energy. And as you exhale, release any tension you may be holding. With every breath, your body softens, your shoulders relax, your jaw unclenches, your muscles begin to ease. Feel the surface beneath you, firm, stable, supportive. You are held, you are supported, you are safe. Allow your awareness to gently travel downward toward your legs, your feet. Imagine roots growing from the soles of your feet, extending slowly and naturally into the earth. These roots anchor you deeply. With every inhale, draw up grounding, calming energy from the earth. With every exhale, release stress, worry, and restlessness down through the roots. The earth absorbs it effortlessly. Your body feels heavier now, more settled, more present. Your breathing becomes slower and deeper. With each breath, your mind grows quieter. Thoughts may come and go, and that's perfectly okay. You do not need to engage with them, simply allow them to pass by. Return your attention to the breath and to the feeling of being grounded. Peace surrounds you, a gentle stillness fills your body and mind. Your nervous system begins to reset, shifting into balance and calm. There is nothing to fix, nothing to control. In this moment you are enough. You are here, you are grounded, you are at peace. Rest in this feeling for a few moments. Allow yourself to simply be. When you're ready, take a slow, deep breath in and gently exhale. Carry this sense of grounding and inner peace with you as you move through the rest of your day. Enjoyed this message? Join our YouTube Omnistian family at the Omnistians by subscribing, and let's create a space filled with clarity, healing, and support together.